There are so many places that you can get help, not help, but advice, tips. I picked this up at a thrift store. How to get things done at home, organize your life, and feel great about it. It's called Find More Time.
Okay.
And I'm just going to say that there's a lot of.
Did you find some?
Did you find some new stuff?
Yes, I find more time when I read while you're talking about the tip of the week. Bada bing! That's not true.
Just waiting.
Uh-huh.
Anyway, so I had been helping somebody move again this week. It was kind of a last minute thing. And I must say, a big tip for anybody who thinks their house is too cluttered or whatever, pretend you're moving.
Uh-huh.
Just pretend you're moving and go through everything as if you were moving, especially as if you were moving into a smaller place. Because you can live with less.
No.
You can.
Say it ain't so.
It's so. And consider that you're going to move into a smaller place. You're getting older. You don't need all the things you have. You're maybe not entertaining as much. So anyway, this was an interesting little paragraph, 2 paragraphs that was in this book. Before taking the time to organize memorabilia, determine if it's something you should be keeping in the first place. I can't tell you how often seminar participants have approached me to talk about a parent who's recently passed on and the difficult time they're having sorting through that parent's possessions. Instead of expressing joy at the treasures they discovered, they express amazement at all the junk the parents kept. Bills. Oh my gosh, I can't tell you how many people save every bill that they've ever paid.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Well, you never know. You might need reference.
Got
to
proof
that.
it's paid now.
No.
Yeah.
Receipts from 25 years before. And sometimes people save receipts from their wedding, which is kind of cool to see, if they got married at the Palmer House, how much it costs. That's kind of cool. And photos of people they don't know. And that's really sad, too, because I was actually at a family member's house, and they had a picture on their refrigerator. And this child in the picture was probably 5 or 6, and they would have been, had they lived, maybe 90 years old now. Nobody knows who it is. Which sibling was it? And it's so sad to see this picture, this beautiful picture, and it's not labeled on the back. You don't know who it is. Anyway, most disturbing are the items the parent kept from childhood. Not the childhood of the parent, but that of the child. Identification tags from the hospital, their first pacifier, their first tooth, their first scab. Seen it in a jar.
No, come on.
Seen it in a jar.
No.
Yes. People say they have no idea why their mom kept this for all the years. They don't want it, but at the same time, they don't want to throw it away because their parent kept it. So they don't want you to make the same mistake.
So did they rip the scab off to save it?
Yeah. Back to the scab.
He can't get past that.
Andrew, wait, Andrew, what?
First of all, we're at 60 seconds. And second of all, my grandma did that for me.
She kept your scabs?
Yep. Yeah, or at least one of my, I had a really bad, I hit my knee or hit my foot somewhere, and she saved
not
the
admit
toenail in an envelope. And we
She
just
saved
found
the
it.
toenail?
Yeah. It's kind of, that's
I'm
kind of
done
gross.
with whatever. We'll
sweet.
continue. We'll
intention,
continue
it's
this.
very sweet, but
Everything I was going to have next week. Okay. Wait. You found your toenail.
it was given to me after it was taken off. This was a long time ago.
Wait.
I didn't know it was being saved. I was like, oh, thank you so much for helping me take care of that. And then I get it in an envelope.
Okay, first of all, you said it was sweet. So when we
It
get
is
back,
sweet.
we're going to we'll
anyhow.
talk about this next
Didn't mean to
hour.
diverge the
Anybody?
Probably the whole hour.
877-711-5611. We're going to talk about this.
This is Mighty House. Mighty House will return.